Click on the link below to get price. The Generac 19300 starting watt portable gas generator is a robust solution for anyone seeking reliable power during outages or when working in remote locations. This generator's impressive capacity makes it an excellent choice for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and even small business owners. With a starting wattage of 19,300 and a running wattage of 16,000, it easily powers essential appliances, tools, and equipment, providing peace of mind when you need it most. One of the standout features of this generator is its electric start functionality. No more struggling with recoil cords or cumbersome starting procedures. With just the push of a button, you can have your generator running in seconds. This is especially beneficial for users who might not have the physical strength to pull a traditional start cord, making it suitable for a wider audience. The design of the Generac generator is also worth noting. It has a sturdy, rugged build that can withstand outdoor conditions. The large, all-terrain wheels make it easy to transport across various surfaces, while the fold-down handle allows for compact storage when not in use. The generator is equipped with multiple outlets, including 120V and 240V options, which adds versatility for different power needs. Noise levels are often a concern with generators, but Generac has engineered this model to operate at a relatively low volume, making it a more considerate choice for use in neighborhoods. The generator also features a low-oil shutdown system, which protects the engine from damage and extends its lifespan. On the downside, the generator is fairly heavy, weighing around 200 pounds, which could pose challenges for some users when lifting or moving it without assistance. Additionally, being a gas-powered unit means it requires regular maintenance and fuel management. Overall, the Generac 19300 starting watt portable gas generator is a reliable and powerful addition to your emergency preparedness toolkit or for outdoor projects, offering a blend of performance, convenience, and durability.